Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the numerical related to voltage series multipliers. Let us read the numerical. A multi-range voltmeter is shown in the figure with full-scale deflection current of 50 microampere. So full-scale deflection current means Im is given and meter resistance is 1 kilo ohm. Rem is equal to 1k. What are the values of R1, R2, R3 respectively? And they have given this circuit, and here we are having the four options for R1, R2, R3. Okay, so if we check, this is the multi-range voltmeter. Why it is the multi-range? Because this voltmeter, when this switch is connected to the this point, then its circuit will be like R1 is the external resistance, that is a series resistance in series with the basic voltmeter. Okay, so the range for this is 5 volt. Okay, means V is equal to 5 volt when the switch is connected here. When the switch is connected at this position, at that time V is equal to 10 volt and series resistor is R2. When this switch is connected to the this position, then the voltage is 50 volt, V is equal to 50 volt and the series resistor is R3. Okay, so here let us first note the given data. Im is equal to 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. This is the meter current. Next, Rm is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. Okay, this is the meter resistance. Our task is to find R1, R2, R3. Okay, so let us first find for R1. Okay, for R1, what is V? V is equal to 5 volt. Okay, what is Vm? Vm is equal to Im into Rm. Im into Rm. Now Rm is the meter resistance. If here they have not shown actually. Okay, they have shown only voltmeter. Okay, but actually here we are having the Rm and Im. That is a basic meter current is Im and the resistance is Rm. Okay, Im into Rm is equal to Vm, which is equal to what is Im? 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 into what is Rm? 1 into 10 to the power 3. So it is equal to 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 volt. Okay, this is the volt, right? So we are having, this is the volt. Okay, this is a Vm, right? Now we are having, we can find R1. Okay, so what is the expression by using the voltage division rule? We can write Vm is equal to V into Rm upon Rm plus R1, because here series resistor is nothing but R1. Okay, so now from this we can write what is Vm? 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to V is 5 volt into Rm, it is a 1k, it is 1 into 10 to the power 3 divided by Rm, that is a 1 into 10 to the power 3 plus R1. Okay, now from this can we find R1? Yes, therefore, yes, so here we can write R1 is equal to 99 kilo ohm. This is the R1. Okay, next, similarly, can we find for the second case? That is, for second case, what is V? V is equal to 10 volt. Okay, and what is Vm? Vm will remain same, is equal to Im into Rm is equal to 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 volt. Okay, 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 volt. Okay, next, so therefore we can write Vm is equal to V into Rm upon here Rm plus R2. Okay, so we can write it as what is V? 10 into 1 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 1 into 10 to the power 3 plus R2. Okay, and this is equal to, it is 50 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is Vm. 50 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, now from this can we find R2? Therefore R2 is equal to, we can write R2 directly. Yes, it is 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 minus 50 divided by, yes, 199 kilo ohm. It will be 199 kilo ohm. This is R2. right? Next, for the third one, for third case, yes, what is the V? It is a 50 volt. So V is equal to 50 volt. What is Vm? Is equal to Im into Rem is equal to 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 volt. Okay, so therefore we can write Vm is equal to V into Rem upon Rem plus R2, right? What is Vm? We can write 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to 50 into 1 into 10 to the power 3 divided by Rem. What is Rem? Rem is 1 into 10 to the power 3 plus R3. Sorry, here it should be R3. R3. Okay. So from this, can we find R3 directly? Yes, R3, if we simplify it, we will be getting R3 is equal to 50,000 minus 50 divided by into 10 to the power minus. It is 999 kilo ohm. 999 kilo ohm. Okay, so if we check the options, R1 is 99k, R2 199k, and R3 999k. Okay, so correct option is option C. Okay, so this is about the numerical related to the voltmeter series multipliers. Thank you.